Okay, today I'm going to be fixing my mini Maglite AA LED flashlight that I broke. Every once in a while I always recommend taking these apart because this piece has to move up and down. And when it gets to a certain position, it goes up enough, it makes contact and allows that light to come on. That's being held down by this little plunger inside of here. And I broke that LED, but this little plunger piece here, this thing is putting pressure on this, and then as you unscrew it, it allows it to come up where it actually makes contact, and then it turns itself on. But of course, I like to take them apart. I like to WD-40 them, move them around, and I recommend what I learned last time was do not rub this with a paper towel after you WD it. That little LED there doesn't like it. It doesn't. I took the LED lens right off. So I contacted Maglite after a little bit because I started using this thing. Nice flashlight, don't get me wrong, this Lux Pro, but I just hate with a passion these clips. They don't stay on my belt, they don't stay in my pocket. I'm an air conditioning heating technician, so it gets snagged on things and it bends it and it falls off. You know, the last thing I want to do is to try to figure out where I drop my flashlight as I'm climbing and snaking my body through all different interesting places to work. Now, let's see what they sent me. Cost me $8 to get a new bulb. Everything was under warranty except for this LED. Oh look, and it comes with a new ring and directions on how to do it. Interesting. They gave me directions. Put that on the side. Let's check out my new LED. Last thing I want to do is break it. That'll be the first time. It's interesting though how a flashlight that's supposed to have a lifetime warranty, of course everything but the LED, which is the most crucial part of this flashlight, is warranted. There's the little LED guy. Now when I took him apart, that thing fell right out. Let's see, where is the other one? As you can see, it sheared right off. Okay, now let's get him out. So to get him out, I'm going to stand him up straight. I'm going to take a 1/4 inch extension bar and push. Okay, he came right out. The ring, aha, the ring I'm looking for is right here. But as you can see, I severed the LED right off. Now of course, I'm going to dissect this guy soon, and I'm going to see about putting a new LED on there. But here we go. I hope that this new LED is the same strength as the old one. Let's put this back over here. Okay. Is there any damage to my old ring? That I really need to change it? Is that a crack? Okay, I might have cracked it. So, because of that, let me use this one. Even though my stubborn self thinks that the crack is on the new one. Now, I had to push it through that way. So to put him in, I'm going to have to come back through here and put him in. Okay. Now, another thing you could use is also a pen. It's the same exact thing. But I'm going to have to hold him in, get a little bit more of a grip using the pen, because I'm going to have to get this plastic piece around my LED. There we go. Maybe I should look at the directions. But okay, so the LED is moving up and down. So now let me get some batteries. Because we're going to make sure that this guy works. So I got 2 new batteries. The old ring. You put this piece back together. Plungers back in. Now, since he's all taken apart, one thing I always believe, I'll put a little dibble dabble of grease right there. I have an O-ring right there. A little bit of the grease into these threads. I don't know how Maglite's going to feel about that, but you know what? From what I learned, doesn't matter how they feel. This is my flashlight. And the only thing they're warrantying on my flashlight is the aluminum body. Great warranty. If I didn't love this flashlight and shit, I probably would switch to a different one. But you know what? It's a great flashlight for the value of what you pay for it. You're not paying much at all. I mean, that O-ring there with that little bit of grease is great for the O-ring so they don't dry out. Boom. Nothing. Boom. On. Okay, first try. It didn't light. Let's do this again. Okay, it's off. Boom. On. It's a little interesting. I might have that little plastic piece in wrong, because here's another Maglite, but oh, it's about the same. Okay. Comes on about there. This is the replacement that I usually use at work. Problem was, this I left at somebody's house, so then I had to use the guy with the pocket clip finally, which is great around my basement, around my house, but crawling through attics, no. Okay, the first mode, that's the brightest. Okay, now the second mode is not supposed to be as bright. Hard to tell here. Third mode, hard to tell. Okay. I'm really confused on this because on. They both have new batteries in them, same exact bulb we're supposed to be, but the new bulb looked a little different. But that is how to replace an LED on a Maglite. Now I know a lot of people are going to tell me as an everyday carry I should look at, like, I don't know, better lights. But as far as I'm concerned, I do HVAC. This thing is scraped on the ground. It's dropped. My hands had paint on them and it got painted a different color. The only spot the paint never came off after a while using it was in here. I don't care. This flashlight here is awesome. You could see the chips and the paint, the scratches, the gouges in it. I mean, I love these flashlights. And the battery life is awesome. Using this thing every day for hours on end. I mean, I may at times not be using this. I might be wearing like a headlamp while I'm working, because while I need both my hands free, this kind of flashlight is what I usually turn to. Is a nice headlamp. Like this one's a black diamond. I like my flashlights. This thing's 240 lumas. This guy, I don't know, I think he was like 97 or something like that. Tell you the truth, he's got a sharper beam. He's more of a flood. Okay. Doesn't mean this is a bad flashlight. This is a nice flashlight. I got him on sale. Good price. So he's a great flashlight to have around the house. I mean, hey, I even have one of these crappy Home Depot Defiance. But I mean, hey, he turns on and off and he gives me light. Light's important. Well, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more of my videos, well, hey, subscribe.